Hey guys, welcome to Quick Fix. So in this video, I am going to tell you how to install any module or package in your PyCharm. So let's say I want to download the package called Selenium. So here you can see it is not downloaded and it is saying install package Selenium. So what you have to do, first go to your files, then go to your settings. In that, here you have to go the Python interpreter under project. So after that, click on this plus sign, and here you have to enter the module or package name. So I want to download Selenium, so Selenium. So here is my module which I want to download. Click on that and hit install package. So here you can see the package Selenium is installed successfully, and you can also check this here, the red lines are gone, and that's how you can install any module or package in your PyCharm. So if you like this video, please subscribe this channel for more videos, and thank you guys.